mai no kako. O mamake wale no au hana kai wiki o rigi me nā wiki o ea ke la wiki o ea pili ana ka hopu kole ana i ke kane o ka vowel. So mamake wale no ho i ke aku no kai random sentence. Ka okoa so let's go ahead. Ke au ana nei no. Oh, it's I don't know. I'm just randomly. Lele ela kamanu paakala. So lele ela. If you were just normally reading it, you might say lele ela kala. Lele ela kamanu paakala. Lele ela kamanu paakala. And that's not wrong. But what I've been saying after listening to that kupuna recording, lele ela kamanu paakala. Because everything is shortened, paakla, that kahako over the a is more heard, yeah. Lelea. So the first version is lelea ela kamanu paakala. Like you would have to emphasize la, like open your mouth more. But when you shorten everything, you really hear that extended vowel, and you don't really have to use your mouth as much. Lelea ela kamanu. Lele ela kamanu paakala. 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 So I'm holding all the A's. Paakala. And so this last is not as different. Paakala. If it's all shortened. Paakala. Ka. Ka. La. Kala. Kala. Paakala. This has a kina, so it's even more so. It's got to be shortened, and then there's a gap really. And so all that means paakala, paakala, alela, 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 the ma'amau alela, 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 paakala, alela, alela. I'm not trying to be super quick. I'm just trying to not hold. Alela, alela. Oli, oleaku, oleaku, where the extended is oleaku, oleaku. So it sounds very different. It sounds more closer to English. Oleaku, oleaku, paakala, alela, alela, oleaku o hiaki pole o pele, ike ia wahimele peinei. Lelea ela kamanu, lelea ela kamanu, paakala, alela, oleako hiak pulio pele ike ia wahimele. Lelea ela kamanu, paakala, alela, oleako o hiak pulio pele ike ia wahimele, ike ia wahimele, ke ia wahimele, peinei. I don't know. Hopefully you can hear the difference. I like showing the difference because to me it sounds different in my head. So I'm assuming there's a slight difference when you hear it. Puka kula o kanao. Puka akula. Puka. Just holding the puka, holding the the u and the a. Puka akula. Puka akula no o kanao. Hele I mua I kanahana mau. So on puka akula o kanao. Puka akula. Puka akula. I'm not trying to say the whole words quickly. I'm just trying to cut my vowels. Puka akula. Puka akula. Puka akula. Puka akula. Puka akula o kanao. Hele I mua kanahana mau. Hele I mua I kanahana mau. I mua kaheo. Hele I mua I kanahana mau. Kanahana mau I mua kaheo. Shorten the vowels. It's hele, hele imua, ikanahana mo, ikanahana mo. Hele imua, ikanahana mo, kanahana mo, imua kaheo. Hele imua, ikanahana mo, imua kaheo. Hele imua, ikanahana mo, imua kaheo. Anyway, this is long enough video. I don't even know if anybody's gonna watch this, but shorten those vowels.